What are you eating? What are you eating? Something you can't shove in your mouth quick enough? You tried to pick 3 up at once and you missed your mouth on all 3 of them. Don't let them go to waste. Oh, you want some more? You want some more? Say please. Say please. Yes.
Say please.
You're gonna do your little chocolate dance. Hi. What are you doing? One. You don't know the count yet. What are you doing? Is that good chocolate? Mmm. Oh, you lost one. You better eat it. There you go. Yum! Yum! I think that's all you're gonna get. That was a lot of chocolate. Yummies. Yummies. You don't need to pick your nose. You smile? Look at me. Look at Mama. Adeline. Smile. Thank you. Mwah.